In other news, investigators have uncovered a major fraud at the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. 2 teachers and a salary clerk employed to the ministry have been charged by fraud squad detectives. This follows a probe into an alleged payment of $23 million to the 2 teachers. Now, the 3 persons charged in the case have been identified as 31-year-old Jermaine Saunders, a salary clerk of St. Andrew Park, Kingston 10, 31-year-old Delroy Elliott, a teacher of Cheapside in Walderton, Manchester, and 35-year-old Ruel Young, a teacher of Morris Hall, Rock River in Clarendon. According to information from the fraud squad, the investigation revealed that Mr. Young and Mr. Elliott were overpaid more than $23 million between June 2017 and August last year. It is alleged that Mr. Saunders, who is the salary clerk for both teachers, subsequently requested the return of some of the money. It's reported that the funds were paid to him by way of cash and bank transfers. However, he failed to turn over the funds to the Education Ministry. It's reported that following a request from fraud squad investigators, the 3 men turned themselves in between May 7 and 9, after which they were interviewed and charged. They were offered bail in the sum of $400,000. All 3 are booked to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on May 28 to answer charges of simple larceny and conspiracy to defraud.